Good morning, students. Once again, welcome back to Rasa class. Students, we were talking about the third lesson, two stories about flying. Part 1, his first flight. So, open your textbook. Now, I am going to read the next paragraph. So, please listen to me very attentively. Now, the seagull could not control himself due to hunger and he dived at the food. अब भूख के कारण छोटा सीगल स्वयं पर कंट्रोल नहीं कर सका और वह भोजन पर झपट पड़ा. He fell from his ledge with a loud scream into space. वह चट्टान से तेज चीख के साथ अंतरिक्ष में गिर गया. His mother swooped upwards. उसकी माँ ऊपर की ओर झपट्टा मारी. As he passed beneath her, he heard the swish of her wings. जब वह उसके नीचे से गुजरा तो उसने उसके पंखों की सरसराहट सुनी. After jumping, fear gripped seagull and he remained stand still for a moment. कूदने के बाद एक भयानक डर ने सीगल को जकड़ लिया और वह एक पल के लिए शांत हो गया. The next moment he felt his wings had spread. अगले ही क्षण उसने महसूस किया कि उसके पंख खुल गए थे. He was not falling downwards. वह नीचे की ओर नहीं गिर रहा था. He was flying slowly upwards and downwards. वह अब धीरे धीरे कभी ऊपर तो कभी नीचे उड़ रहा था. Thus he had experienced his first flight. इस तरह उसने अपनी पहली उड़ान का अनुभव किया. Now he had completely forgotten about his past. अब वह पूरी तरह से भूतकाल के बारे में भूल गया था. He was screaming with joy. वह खुशी से चिल्ला रहा था. His parents, brothers and sisters were with him. उसके माता पिता, उसके भाई, दो भाई और उसकी बहन उसके साथ थे. They were praising him. वे उसकी प्रशंसा कर रहे थे. He was over the vast green sea. वह विशाल हरे समुद्र के ऊपर था. He dropped his legs into the sea. उसने समुद्र में अपने पैर डुबोए. His belly too touched the sea. उसका पेट भी समुद्र से छुआ. His family members were offering him scraps of dogfish. उसके परिवार के सदस्य उसे डॉग फिश के टुकड़े दे रहे थे. Thus the seagull had succeeded in his first flight. इस प्रकार सीगल अपने प्रथम उड़ान में सफल हो गया था. So student, this lesson has been finished here. Now we will meet with the word meaning and question answer of this lesson tomorrow. Thank you.